Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Your girl Dramata here. Y'all, cheers to the weekend, okay? First and foremost, we made it through another week. Cheers to the weekend. I wanted to talk about another 0% APR card, guys, okay? But before we get into the video, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, guys. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. If you have questions, drop it down below, okay, guys? Let's talk about this credit card though. Credit Union of Georgia, guys, okay? These credit union guys, they are legit the plug, okay? Do not sleep on these credit unions. They have so many great business credit cards, lines of credit, real estate loans. Guys, do not sleep on these credit unions, guys, okay? Because they will take you from 0 to 100, okay? Don't sleep on them. So they have their business card, and that's what it's called, guys. The business card, okay? Business card, 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for 18 billing cycle, guys. After that, guys, based on your credit, then your interest could be anywhere from 14.24% to 23.24%, guys, okay? So now there is a catch, guys, okay? If you miss a payment, or you have a late payment, or you have a return payment, guys, or you go over your limit when you do get the card, guys, you miss a payment, you go over the limit, or you have a return payment, they, guys, will charge you interest, okay? You can forget about this 0% intro APR, guys. They will start charging you interest from day one, okay? So just, be on your guard about that and pay your bills on time, ahead of time, okay? So that you can have good credit rating. But yes, guys, I wanted to bring this to your attention. And you do not have to be a member of the Credit Union of Georgia to apply for this card, guys. You do not have to be a member to apply for any of their business cards or loans whatsoever, okay? As the housing market is changing, guys, I'm going to be looking for different products, credit products, guys, that we can take advantage of, so that you can have access to funding when opportunities come about. You can be able to jump on it, okay? That's the purpose of me sharing this information with you guys. So you don't have to be a member of, Credit Union of Georgia to apply for this card, guys. 18 months, 0% intro APR. You cannot beat that. It gives you access to thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars in credit. You cannot beat that. That kind of leverage is phenomenal. So I want you guys to take advantage of it, and if you cannot, guys, work on your credit. It's easy to fix your credit, guys, okay? Work on it. If you don't want to work on it, hire someone, pay them to clean up your credit, guys. The housing market is going down fast, okay? Even stocks, okay? The stock market, okay? This is the best time to invest, guys, okay? Opportunities are everywhere, and it's as these home prices go down, guys, the opportunity is just gonna be just all over the place. So prepare yourselves, prepare your credit, prepare your finances, so that you can be able to jump on these opportunities as they become available, okay? So that does it. Quick, short, sweet video. I wanted to share this card with you guys so that you guys can take advantage of this. Let me know in the comment section, do you guys have any 0% intro APR cards? Let me know which cards do you have. Have you invested in real estate? Do you plan on investing in real estate? What are your thoughts on the housing market right now? Do you think it's going to crash? What about the stock market? Are you guys investing in that, or just even in your business? What type of businesses are you guys investing in, these cards, can do so much for entrepreneurs and investors alike. So let me know, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. That does it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop it in the comment section below. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. I wish you all the best in all of your endeavors. I will catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.